So Jacqueline, today is pretty dry out there, but that's all going to change, right?
Yeah, we have another system that's going to be moving in for tomorrow. So as we head overnight, especially by daybreak tomorrow, we'll start to see some precipitation pushing in. And with temperatures tonight dropping back, near that freezing mark, we actually could be looking at some freezing rain or even a wintry mix in parts of the area. Of course, as we headed through the day yesterday, it stayed chilly. Highs only reached that 30-degree mark. Our lows were down in the teens in spots. Heading through the day today, we did see temperatures climb back up into the 40s, so much milder through this afternoon. It was pretty pleasant overall. The clouds actually gave way to a little bit of sunshine too. Temperatures today well above average. Some spots like Philadelphia, down near Wilmington, over in Lancaster, you got to the 50s. So certainly well above normal for this time of year. A mild start to the weekend, but it is going to be changing. Will be much more seasonable through the day on Sunday as temperatures tomorrow only approach that 40-degree mark. We approach the upper 30s, so it is going to be cooler tomorrow, but again, more seasonable for this time of year, considering average highs are right around that 40-degree mark. Getting into Sunday too, we have this area of low pressure. This storm system is going to be pushing in. It's going to be affecting our area. It's going to bring some precipitation to the region as we head into the early morning hours on Sunday. So by daybreak or so, we'll start to see that arriving. Some rainfall, some freezing rain possible too. So icy conditions are going to be a concern, especially tomorrow morning in places like the Poconos, those higher elevations. Even back through the Lehigh Valley, though, you could even see some of that icing out there. But current conditions still have us sitting in the 40s, 42 degrees in Allentown, 44 back in Reading and Lancaster right now, 41 in Pottstown, 47 degrees in Philadelphia. And the cloud cover is going to continue to thicken up as we head through tonight. But we do have some winter weather advisories in effect across some parts of the area. Further north, places like Luzerne, Carbon, Monroe, Pike County, that's where it's going to be lasting the longest. The advisory stays until midnight on Monday, whereas to places further to the south, the Lehigh Valley, Berks County, that's where you have it until 1 p.m. on Sunday. Otherwise, the advisories until 6 o'clock p.m. on Sunday. So throughout tomorrow morning, the afternoon into the evening for the spots in the advisory, that's where you have to watch the potential again for some slippery conditions, especially to the north, places like the Poconos, where you could be dealing with a little bit of a wintry mix in there as well. Satellite and radar right now, though, showing us dry conditions. The cloud cover, though, will continue to thicken up, so it will be cloudy as we head overnight into the day on Sunday as the system continues to push towards us. And we'll see some rainfall arriving into the early morning hours. And again, it could bring some icy conditions, some freezing rain. So it's something we're going to continue to watch here. But the winter storm itself really is going to be bringing snowfall back up towards New England, well out of our area. So while we could see a wintry mix in spots and we could be dealing with, even some light accumulations, a coating to an inch. Some spots, especially further north, places like Sussex County, could see up to 2 inches even in some isolated areas. It's really not going to be a big deal for us in terms of any snowfall accumulation. The bigger deal for that will be further off to our north and east, but allowing for light accumulations even in some spots. And then it's going to turn really windy too behind this system as we get into Monday. Windy conditions. Future satellite and radar taking us through the day on Sunday. Again, seeing cloudy skies. The rain moves in by the early morning hours. You can see the potential for that freezing rain. Then as we head throughout the day, again, the mixing possible too, especially to the north. We could see some lingering snow shower activity in spots behind the system as some colder air continues to filter in, and then some lingering snow showers around on Monday. But tonight, lows drop back into the low 30s. We'll see areas of fog out there and the rain arriving towards daybreak tomorrow. And again, some icy conditions are possible with some of that rain freezing, especially with temperatures near that freezing mark. So through the day Sunday, highs only get to the upper 30s. Some foggy conditions, cloudy skies, periods of rain. Again, wintry mix possible, especially to the north. And the 7-day forecast over the next few days does bring us back into the 40s as we get into next week. It will be windy on Monday, still a couple of snow showers possible or some flurries. Then dry conditions expected at this point for Valentine's Day. Chandy, back to you.